Hello there. I'm going to replace, or I did replace, the blend door for the heater control. Up here, is this unit. This is to hold your actuator. So I'll get a better picture there. This is your actuator. It goes on like that and just snaps in. As you can see, it's here little tiny snaps. That's all they are. And you pry it off. Screwdriver. Here, pry it off to check your actuator motion. If this turns, if it does, then your door is probably broken. This is my old door, if you can see that. This here is all broke out. See? Try to get a picture there. So we put a new door in, but I did not want to take all the dash out to get this whole unit out. The actuator is in there. So the dash I did not want to take out. Look at that. So what they suggest instead, Dorman sells an actuator door, or a blend door, sorry. And they suggest, if you follow me underneath here, I cut it out. As you can see, all that white here, around there. Drop this down. The actuator door falls out, and put the new one in from underneath. Then I used plastic weld made by Sweet. Let's see it. Made by. I always have a drink with me. Oops, the light's terrible there. Oh, chip over the drink. Plastic weld. Permatex. And that's what I used to seal up where I cut with a Dremel tool. As you can see, again, cut here and down there. It's hard to see, but anyway, that dropped out. Put the new door in, and then now I'll put this back on. Don't really know why I took this off, but I did. 3 screws. Put this back in on top, up there, and it should work fine. I can feel in here the door now, the top of it, it swivels properly, nice and easy. So, then we shall have heat and AC in the summertime. So that's an easy fix rather than taking that all apart. Even Dormar, they say to do it this way, cut the bottom. They have instructions. Dorman. To cut it that way too. Just, it's a 97. You don't want to take all that time, spend $1,500 bucks. Spend 20 bucks for a new door. Cut it with Dremel tool. 10 bucks for Permatex, plastic weld. You're done. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. If you have, hopefully it helps some people. 97 Explorer, sorry.